make yourself as comfortable as you can. Stay calm and relax your body. Now, begin by taking breaths gently and slowly. Allow your imagination to take you to a very beautiful and comfortable place. Now, close your eyes and continue to breathe slowly. Now, visualize the images according to what you hear. Imagine yourself strolling in the beautiful and peaceful sandy beach. Now you feel the cool sea breeze brushing past your face. Now you are feeling the sea breeze while looking at it. Your forehead is very cool. Now you step into the sea water and feel clear, cool water gently rolling over and tenderly caressing your feet. Now you feel it washing away all of your tensions and everything disturbing in your mind. Now you are sitting on the peaceful seashore and listen to the sound of waves rolling in before you. Now you feel all the fatigue in your mind fade away with the sound of waves. Now you are letting the gentle waves take all your anxiety and worries of the world as you deeply inhale and fully exhale. Now you feel yourself relaxing while you are breathing. When you breathe in, you feel the cool, salty air coming through your nose and filling your lungs. When you breathe out, you feel all the negative energies within your body, releasing through your nose. You are perfectly comfortable in this place now. At this peaceful place, you are looking at a totally different you than before. Now you feel your body filled with the energy of the sea. You feel your body become stronger than ever and feel your mind fill up with confidence. When you open your eyes, you know that you can do everything well. You can do everything confidently. Take 3 deep breaths and open your eyes.